Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa government has introduced an amendment bill in the assembly inserting section 38A in the Goa Land Revenue Code 1968. The objective of the section 38A is to regularize encroachment for the unauthorized construction of dwelling house on government land before the 28th day of February 2014. Such land may be regularized by the deputy collector after paying a price decided by the government. The bill is likely to be passed next year. This attempt seems to bypass the order passed by the High Court and the Supreme Court to demolish illegal construction on the government lands. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.